In the world of e-commerce, few product categories offer the consistent, year-round demand of storage and organization. This isn't a seasonal trend, it's a constant customer need. The key is having the right products to meet this ongoing demand. Doba has done the product research for you. Here are 6 proven bestsellers and the business value each one brings to your store. Let's look at 3 core products that solve big problems. These form the foundation of your customers' organization solutions. First, the 5-tier heavy-duty metal rack. As our highest-priced item, it solves the toughest storage challenges in places like garages and basements. Its heavy-duty capacity and adjustable design are the features that justify a premium price, helping you significantly increase your store's total revenue. Second, the underbed storage container with wheels. It awakens forgotten underbed space, which is an irresistible selling point for any space-saving enthusiast. Furthermore, its high-quality details, like the smooth wheels and strong metal frame, are key to ensuring customer satisfaction and earning you valuable 5-star reviews. Third, the large capacity clothes storage bag. This is the essential need basic for every household. It solves the huge, universal problem of seasonal clothing storage. For consumers, this means it offers incredible value for money, making it an easy purchase decision. For you, it means a steady stream of orders, acting as a reliable source of traffic for your store. Next, let's look at 3 smart items that optimize the details. These will help you further increase customer satisfaction and your profit. This over-the-door organizer is the perfect product to attract new customers to your store. Its affordable price and usefulness for everyone can bring a lot of new visitors. It's especially popular with people who rent or live in small homes, a huge group of people who love to shop online. This hanging handbag organizer helps you target a specific, high-value customer group. For someone who invests in their handbags, this product isn't just storage, it's protection for their prized possessions. This protection attribute creates a powerful sales argument, allowing you to easily capture a passionate niche market that is willing to spend on quality. Finally, this multi-layer drawer cabinet. Its stylish design lets you sell it for more than a basic storage box. It helps you attract younger shoppers who care about quality, and these customers are more likely to buy from you again, bringing you value over the long term. The demand is here. The best-selling products are ready. Now, it's time for you to make a decision. Log into Doba, where each product has detailed descriptions in Doba's Video Hub. Add these popular products to your store with just a click.